I could spend all day here, holding hands with you, my dear, hearing you say I love you in my ear.
As your words become my truth, oh, I'm holding on to you. And as your words become my peace, won't you come and reside in me? And I won't forget how far I've come. No, I won't neglect the promise you've given, but I will remember you're by me forever, my friend and my healer. The joy I found in surrendering all my life to your call, surrendering all for your glory. Oh, I'm surrendering all, and I know the joy of it all is Jesus. It's time for me to choose. What do I really want in my life? Seems like for too many years I'm only turning around. And so this probably goes. I ain't ready to build a home. I ain't ready for babies. And I won't get married, I'm sorry, honey. walking on it's an endless song. The first verse is over, but maybe I've sang it wrong. It's a long road I'm walking on, it's an endless song. Please, won't you please sing along? It's time for you to choose.
I once loved a girl, but she don't love me anymore. And the pain, it comes in waves like it's washing me up on the shore. I thought we were happy, guess I thought too much anyway. Now that she's leaving, I kinda wish that she'd stay. And I know I drove you crazy. Sometimes you hate me. But baby, I thought we had something. Was I wrong? Was it nothing? Was it just in my head?
There's a lot more